Highways have played a pivotal role in the economic success of the United States, serving as critical arteries for the nation's growth and development. The construction and expansion of highways have been instrumental in shaping the country's economic landscape, influencing various sectors including manufacturing, retail, logistics, and even real estate. Historical context: the development of highways in the U.S. can be traced back to the early 20th century, but it was the Federal Aid Highway Act of 1956, signed by President Dwight D. Eisenhower, that truly revolutionized the nation's infrastructure. This act authorized the construction of the interstate highway system, a network of over 41,000 miles of roads designed to connect major cities and regions across the country. The highways facilitated rapid and efficient transportation of goods and people, which in turn fueled economic growth. Impact on transportation and logistics: the highway system dramatically improved the efficiency of transportation in the U.S. Before the construction of highways, goods were primarily transported by rail, which was slower and more expensive. Highways allowed for the creation of a robust trucking industry, which became the backbone of the U.S. logistics network. Trucks could deliver goods faster and more directly to markets, reducing the costs of transportation and allowing businesses to expand their reach. This accessibility also enabled just-in-time manufacturing, a process that reduced inventory costs and increased production efficiency. Economic growth and job creation: the construction of highways had a direct impact on economic growth by creating jobs. The building of the interstate highway system was one of the largest public works projects in U.S. history, providing employment to millions of workers over the years. Beyond construction, highways spurred job creation in other sectors as well. The expansion of suburban areas, facilitated by highway access, led to the growth of retail and service industries. Moreover, the trucking industry, which relies heavily on highways, has become one of the largest employers in the country. Connectivity and market expansion: highways have been crucial in connecting rural and urban areas, enabling the flow of goods and services between different regions. This connectivity has allowed businesses to expand their markets beyond local boundaries, reaching consumers across the nation. For instance, agricultural products from rural areas could be easily transported to urban centers, boosting the agricultural economy. Similarly, manufacturers in one part of the country could efficiently ship their products to distant markets, enhancing their competitiveness. Urbanization and suburbanization: the development of highways also contributed to the growth of suburbs. With the ability to commute to cities via highways, people began to move out of congested urban centers into suburban areas. This suburbanization led to a boom in residential construction, retail development, and the creation of new communities. The highways thus played a dual role in facilitating both urban growth and the rise of suburban economies. Impact on trade: highways have also been vital in supporting trade, both domestic and international. The U.S. is a vast country, and efficient transportation networks are essential for moving goods across state lines. Highways have enabled the U.S. to develop a strong internal market, where products can be moved quickly and cheaply from one region to another. Furthermore, highways connect to major ports, facilitating the export and import of goods. This integration of highways with other transportation modes, such as rail and shipping, has made the U.S. a formidable player in global trade. Innovation and technological advancement: the highway system has not only supported traditional industries but also spurred innovation and technological advancement. The rise of e-commerce, for example, has been heavily dependent on the efficiency of the highway network. Companies like Amazon rely on highways for the rapid delivery of goods to customers across the country. Moreover, the development of autonomous vehicles, which could revolutionize transportation, is closely linked to the highway infrastructure. The future of highways may see the integration of smart technologies, further enhancing their role in economic success. Challenges and sustainability: while highways have been a cornerstone of economic growth, they have also presented challenges. The reliance on highways has contributed to urban sprawl, environmental degradation, and increased carbon emissions. Traffic congestion in major cities has become a significant issue, leading to economic losses due to delays. The maintenance and upgrading of highways requires substantial investment, and funding has been a perennial challenge. To address these issues, there has been a growing focus on sustainable transportation solutions. This includes the development of electric vehicle infrastructure, public transit options, and the potential for integrating renewable energy sources into the highway system. Conclusion: highways have been integral to the economic success of the United States. They have transformed the way goods and people move, spurred the growth of industries, and connected the nation in ways that were previously unimaginable. As the U.S. continues to evolve, the role of highways will remain central to its economic strategy, albeit with an increasing focus on sustainability and innovation. The challenges of the future will require new approaches to maintaining and enhancing this critical infrastructure, ensuring that highways continue to drive economic success for generations to come.